don't bother. Don't touch her hair or nothing. She's doing a puppet show.
Camel's got Ricky.
What have you been doing? I don't think so. He stinks. We just gave her a bath just a while ago. Oh, yeah. So don't say that, Buster.
Look in the
Camera. Ready?
Stop it. Arr, stop it again. These guys never learn anything in school. All they do is just chew bubble gum. As for you two, I don't think so. See what I mean? I just can't help them.
I'm not gonna. No.
I told you to stop it.
Oh, okay.
And there.
Okay.
I know it
We
is.
haven't done anything.
All right, I'll open the curtain. Whenever we open, we'll open the curtain, and we'll announce. Here's Autumn. Ready?
Tell them you're at
Okay, ready?
Automatic
Ready.
Zampardi.
Ready?
Yeah, tell them.
Ready.
The Autumn Show. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Hello. It's time for the Autumn and Puppet Show. These aren't puppets, actually. They're just stuffed animals. Except they're not stuffed animals, they're real animals, I think. Was that in my script?
Huh? Yeah. You're doing just fine. Keep it rolling. Keep it going.
It's not playing with
Okay.
that.
Okay.
It's not right.
Oops. Sorry.
I told you to stop it. Now
Okay.
stop.
Okay.
And hello.
You had to back up a little bit. There you go.
Son,
Is this the...
tell them your full name. So they'll know who you are.
Yeah.